guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm out here in my lovely backyard and I've got a great video for you here today. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day and I'm gonna be giving my patio and my deck a little bit of a makeover. Before I get into it, if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll stay in the loop on all my new videos. Okay, so here's my backyard. I've got a patio on the right side over here and a deck on the left. Both are in need of some furnishing just to make it a little bit more homey so that we can actually have a nice place to eat, nice place to sit and relax. On this side, I've got the patio stones and the barbecue is there. So this is going to be the eating area. It's going to stay. I'm going to keep that table there and the living area will be on the deck. I think it would look beautiful that way. So I've got a whole bunch of projects in mind, some nice new furniture that I can't wait to use. So let's get started. First thing that I want to do, and the thing that's probably going to make the biggest difference, is add in some lighting for this deck. I want to make some planters with light posts and then hang some string lights all around the deck. I think it's going to add such a nice vibe to this area. So first thing that I did is picked up some planters. I have two options here. One of them is from Amazon. It's like a plastic planter. It kind of has like a little bit of a barrel look to it. This one's heavy. The other one from IKEA is actually a wooden pot. So I'm trying to decide between the two. Because the Amazon one is plastic, I have a feeling that it's going to be a lot less maintenance. Like this one from IKEA, I'm going to have to seal it every other year. I'm worried about like the wood rotting. Whereas the one that's made of plastic, I won't really have to worry about any of that. And I think at the end of the day, I actually like the color of this one a little bit better. The IKEA one is super nice, but it's got a little bit of a reddish hue to the wood. And it clashes with the deck, which has more of like a cedar look to it. I have a whole separate video with some amazing and detailed tips that are really helpful for DIYing some light posts. I'll link it up here, so if you're planning on DIYing some light posts, you should definitely check it out. But for now, just enjoy the quick version. At the edge of my patio, which is all stones. So what I want to do is just make that look a little bit nicer by adding some plants inside the stone. So I got these plants. These are called common boxwood. Apparently very low maintenance. It doesn't need a lot of space to grow. And it won't grow too big, and once it does I can just kind of like round it off into little shrubs, which would be cute. What I want to do is repot them now into bigger pots and then dig them into the gravel here, cover them up completely so they kind of look like they're coming right out of the gravel, and it'll look really cute. I've got my pots here, and I'm just going to put some rocks at the bottom for drainage. They do have holes at the bottom for drainage, but they're a little bit high up, so I'll just fill it up like maybe an inch or so at the bottom with some rocks, and then I'll put in the plant and add some more soil to fill it up. So I got all these amazing herbs at Home Depot for $1 each, which is unbelievable. So I'm just going to repot them now. The truth is I wanted to get like a bench for the deck to put all the pots for these herbs, but I couldn't find anything that I really liked, so I ended up scattering all the plants across the deck and the patio, which ended up looking beautiful. So I'm kind of happy that I didn't find a bench. Cushions. They're so cute. Okay, so this goes here, there. This one goes there. Perfect. You put one in here already? No. my gosh, that's very pretty. Whoa, heavy. Ooh, oh.
There's no pillow. So squishy.
Ooh, very comfy.
Yeah?
You wanna try it?
Sure.
You see yourself sitting out on the backyard in the
Oh
backyard.
yeah, we got coffee here.
I can't even begin to tell you how happy I am with this project. It was so fun, and we spent every single day outside in our backyard just enjoying this beautiful space. So definitely one of my favorite DIYs so far. And here comes the final reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more DIY and home decor videos.